Well, not only I think joining the South Side is makes you part of something special, especially this year. We've been through a lot with the Whitecaps. I've through a lot with the South Side. But as the Caps go, the South Side goes. Obviously, as we can tell by the numbers this year, well, I don't know, but I'm assuming the membership numbers are way up. So the Whitecaps are doing well. The South Side are doing well. So you become part of a group, and as part of the group, you become part of the family, is what I think. I've met a lot of people, and I met 3 friends that are now one of my best friends through the South Side. And not everyone's my friend, I think, but it's a social, fun thing to do.